everyone, it's Lisa. Today on DoodleDrawArt, we're making Valentine's Day cards. We're going to make a cat Valentine's Day card today, and I'm going to start off by making the two head shapes for my cute kittens. So I'm going to put one here, and I'll put the other one here. It's always good to just draw some sketches to help you see where you're going to put things. Now I'm just pressing very lightly. I know you can see this, but I'm not pressing hard so that later when I try to erase it, it's going to be easy to do it. Now I'm also going to draw the ground where my two cats are sitting, and I'm going to draw this first cat's body. She's got her paws underneath, you can't really see them, and then her little tail's probably just curving back like this, and then my other cat, her body is going to be poking back this way, and she's going to have one of her little feet just here underneath her chin, and then her other little foot is probably snuggled in with the first cat. Actually, I'm going to move this over a tiny bit, tiny bit, tiny bit. Not much. You can leave it where it was. It's just my preference. All right, and then, so this cat, her tail is going to be coming up behind here, like so. All right, they don't look like cats yet because they don't have ears. One's going to have an ear here, and the other ear here. And then this one, her ear, one of her ears is in behind her friend, and the other ear is going to be right up here. Okay, so you can see where my cats are going to go. Now I can switch to, straight out to Sharpie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my cute little kitty with super kawaii face. So she is like so happy her eyes are closed. So I'm just going to make two little closed eyes like this, and then a cute little nose and a cute little smile like this. And then I'll do the same thing for this kitten, and she's leaned in with her friend so close, so her little eyes are just going to be right up here, leaning in towards her friend with her cute little nose right up there, and she's smiling too. All right, now I'm going to switch to my bigger Sharpie, and I'm going to make the lines for my cats. So I'm just going to make a nice big line here, swoop, and then a V, swoop. And then I'll come around the face for this one. I'm not going to draw all the way around though. I'm going to stop right there. And then I'll do her other ear going up and down. And the same thing here. I'm just going to come in from behind, and I'm not going to go all the way down. Stop right there. And then I'll do the side of her body. So she's just got her little edge of body, and then you can't really see her legs, but they're coming out from underneath like this. And her tail is just coming out from behind. Like so. There's one cat. Now for the other cat, I'm just going to bring her cheek under like this. So curve under and come all the way in to meet where this other cat is. So just curve under, and then her little face meets right in there. And then we'll draw the top of her head coming towards her ear, just like this. And then we'll make an ear up and down. You just come a little bit in front of the ear like that. And then we'll make the side of her face. I'm just going to stop. And we'll make her body coming all the way under, just like this. And she's sitting on the ground. And she's going to have her little paw here. This little paw shape, like so. And then her body just comes along under here. Now we can finish this first cat, so we can see where her body's going to go. So she's all snuggled in close. So she's probably all the way over like this. Just like that. And now we'll make our tail for this cat. And we can decide, maybe this cat's going to have some stripes. So we could make a stripy tail with our Sharpie. I'm just making zigzags like this. And we can pull some zigzags down from here. And she might even have some around her face. This reminds me a little bit of Garfield. You know, the orange cat from the cartoons, because he has these sorts of stripes. Yeah, we'll make some more coming in along here. Maybe even one down here. Like so. One more. Could get carried away with these stripes. Okay. Oh, one more here. Very good. Okay, so now I'm going to use my eraser and erase all of my extra sketch lines here. And I'll be more careful than I was in my snowman, because in my snowman, Valentine, I wrinkled the edges of my pages by not being careful when I erased. So just come on around here and erase like so. And now we want to add a little color to our pussycats. Oh, don't wrinkle them. It's really better, I think, if you use stiffer paper. You could use some cardstock to draw these. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a pink, and first of all, I'm gonna make some cute little pink cheeks on the edges here. Let me just check my color. It's always good to check your colors. That's perfect. Okay, so I'll draw some cute little pink cheeks on my pussy cats because they are so happy and so kawaii. Cute. And we should probably get some whiskers. We need our fine point Sharpie so we can add these little whiskers in. So let's go like this. And over here, let's go like this. And over here, I'm just gonna come from this little cheeky section where I drew the cheeks. You can't really see the whiskers on that side very well, so we'll leave them out. My Sharpie's getting a little dry. It's hard to see some of the lines. All right. Okay, so now we can add some color to our pussy hats. So maybe one of them is brown. Actually, let's make the inside of the ears pink too, because that will make them look super cute. Just a little pink in there, just like that. And then we'll go ahead and make our cat color. So I'm just gonna use my brown. I'm gonna go around the edges like this, all the places where my cat is brown. So my cat might have some white on her, so I might leave some of these edges as white. Maybe the end of her tail is more brown, so I'll make my line longer there. Great. So just tracing a little bit on the edges. And my other cat is going to be gray, so I'm going to use gray around here, and gray around here, gray around her foot, put a little gray there so we can see which cat is which, and along the tail, along the back, and just like so. Okay, so there's two simple kitties, and now we're going to write our Valentine's Day. So I'm going to put up here, I hope your Valentine's Day is perfect. There. All right, and it's always fun to add some hearts or write with red over some of these important letters in the word Valentine's and day, just like so. Hope your Valentine's Day is perfect, and you could make some little hearts in here because the cats are so happy. Just like that. You don't have to. It's just extra fun. All right, I hope your Valentine's Day is perfect, and I would love it if you could please comment on my video and let me know what you think, and subscribe for more Doodle Draw art. Thanks for watching.